How to delete an Instagram account. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to delete an Instagram account. Begin by launching the Instagram mobile app as shown here. This is the main homepage. Now, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right of the screen to access your account's profile section. On this page, you'll find several navigation options. Tap on the menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the Settings and Activity section of Instagram. Within these settings, locate and tap the option labeled Account Center, where you can control and manage key aspects of your account. Scroll down to the section named Personal Details, found under the Account Settings category. On the next page, you'll see several personal data options like your date of birth and contact info. At the bottom, tap the one labeled Account Ownership and Control. This brings up a page with two important choices: to either deactivate or delete your account. Tap this option, as shown here. The next screen displays all accounts linked to your account center. Select the one you intend to remove. If you only have one account connected, go ahead and tap on it. A new page will appear offering two actions: deactivate or delete. Since we're deleting, select the Delete Account option, which usually appears second. After that, tap the Continue button. You'll now be prompted to choose a reason for your decision. Select one from the list, then press Continue. Instagram will then notify you about downloading your account data beforehand, as it won't be recoverable once deletion is completed. After reviewing that, tap Continue again. Finally, enter your Instagram password to confirm your action. Your request for deletion will be submitted, and Instagram will permanently delete the account after 30 days, unless you log back in during that period to cancel the process. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to delete an Instagram account.